are back again after the summer vacation, and this time our focus will be on grade 11 chemistry.
Why grade 11 students, sir?
Sindhu, everyone knows that this year CBSE examination was delayed on account of the pandemic. Most of the schools in India were on vacation when the CBSE examination was going on. While in the Middle East, the situation is different. The schools were getting ready for their summer vacation after the conclusion of the term 1. Therefore, I think our focus should be on grade 11 students, because the time left for grade 11 students compared to the previous years to cover the vast syllabus is very less. That is the reason.
But hasn't the CBSE reduced the syllabus?
Yes, definitely. They have this time also CBSE has reduced the syllabus, but the topics included are very important for the NEET, JEE and SAT exam. It will take time for teachers to teach the new concepts, and it will also take a lot of time for children to study, write and learn.
That's not the only reason, Sindhu and Deepa, that we are focusing on grade 11 students. You know, in grade 11 science, chemistry is just 4 units. Out of the 4 units, 2 units, namely carbon and its compounds and periodic classification, have some connection with what we teach in grade 11. But topics like the mole concept, which the students are exposed to in grade 9, are being taught at depth in grade 11, and also the topic on the atomic structure and the calculations involving the concentration of solutions is of great importance, isn't it, Deepa?
Yes, sir. I fully agree with what about the sir's observation also. Children learn to apply the formula, but they make lot of errors while they do the calculation.
That means mole concept, atomic structure and periodic classification are very important, isn't it?
Not only that, Sindhu, there are chapters like chemical bonding, which is required for grade 12 unit coordination chemistry. Then we have redox reaction, that is the base for the chapter unit electrochemistry, which is in grade 12.
Yes, I fully agree with your observation, Deepa. The understanding of class 12 electrochemistry depends on how much a student in grade 11 understands about the redox reaction. And as you pointed out correctly, the calculations is what really matters for the students, because they remember the formula, they know how to apply the formula, but they don't calculate correctly, which means they need to really practice a lot while they are in grade 11. Not only the electrochemistry or chemical bonding that is very important, we also have the other topics which I already mentioned about atomic structure, in which we teach the electronic configuration of elements. And if students don't understand electronic configuration in class 11, then the understanding of class 12 D block element becomes very difficult. Am I right?
Yes, sir. In grade 11, periodic classification is a chapter which is there, and when we check in our grade 12, there is a chapter named P block elements. It is nothing but the extension of the periodic classification of grade 12, grade 11. So I think the understanding of the periodic classification in grade 11 is very important to have a smooth study of inorganic chapters of grade 12.
Prem sir, what about your passionate organic chemistry units?
Oh yes, Sindhu. Organic chemistry is an integral part of grade 11 and 12. The foundation of the organic chemistry is laid in grade 10, when teachers teach carbon and compounds, but that is not enough. In grade 11, the organic chemistry basics of IUPAC naming is being taught. And I think students should understand IUPAC naming thoroughly before they step into class 12.
Not only that, sir, we teach mechanisms like nucleophilic addition, nucleophilic substitution reaction, electrophilic substitution and addition reaction. If students do not pay attention in grade 11, for them in grade 12 it will be very, very difficult and they may not enjoy learning of organic chemistry.
So hearing you both, I conclude like this. Students must pay 100% attention in the class. If they don't attend the classes regularly, not only their scores in grade 11 will be very poor, but also their grade 12 results also will be affected.
As this episode is coming to a conclusion, we remind all our viewers to work hard while in grade 11, attend all the classes regularly, write and practice, so that learning of the topics of grade 12 becomes much more interesting and easy. And the surprise question of the day is, which concept taught in grade 11 will help you solve the numericals in grade 12 solutions chapter? Send in your answers to WhatsApp number 66661663. We sincerely thank Janam TV for this wonderful opportunity. Nanni Namaskaram.